So this is collagen. I'm going to tell you that for one, this has the 5 different types of collagen in it. You might buy a collagen product that's a type 1 or a type 2 or a type 3. So there's several different types of collagen, and each type of collagen serves in different functions. So you have the collagen type that helps your skin. You have another type that helps your joints. Another one that helps ligaments. Another one that helps the lining of the arteries and of your organs. And so it's important to have at least 5 different types to aid in all of these different things. And it helps your hair and your skin and your nail growth. It supports natural hyaluronic acid production so that it can enhance your skin, your eye, and your joint health. And it keeps your wrists, knees, elbows, shoulders, and ankles more mobile and fluid, even with intense exercise. So I had hip discomfort, and I'd had it for over a year. Whenever I would exercise, I would have that discomfort well into the evening. Now, I had decided, whatever, I'm going to exercise, I'll just have to live with it. But when I heard about this, helping somebody else recover after lifting weights, like their discomfort would go away quick, I said, I'm going to try this. So I started out pretty aggressive. I decided, I'm going to drink 2 a day. I want to speed this thing up. Well, I'm going to tell you, in a month, I did not have any discomfort anymore, and it changed my life. But the beautiful thing about it was I was starting to sag in my skin, and it was like getting a facelift. It was a marked difference in my photographs. And I'm 61 and a half, so I drink it, and I really feel like this is one of the reasons that I don't look 61 and a half. At least I don't think I do. The other thing is it tastes like a creamsicle. So sometimes, just because I feel like having something delicious, I literally will mix some heavy whipping cream in the water and mix this, and it's delicious. There's a lot of collagen products out there. Not all of them are created equal. After the age of 20, we lose 1% of collagen every single year, which means that by the time you're 40, you've literally lost 20% of your collagen. So we have to begin to supplement. But the most important thing about supplementing collagen is you want your body to start producing it, and you want it to be bioavailable. This is bioavailable. And it helps your body begin to promote its own collagen. And that's why it works. To order your own collagen product, click the link in the description below.
2 steps back, so tonight, I'm just